Welcome back to Vispeahen Data Analytics and Visualization Platform. We will take a look at how to quickly create a dashboard in this video. We have an Excel file as an example. Let's see how to upload this file to Vispeahen and visualize it. Click on the New Dashboard button once logged in with your username and password. Then click on the Upload Your Files button. Follow the steps in the pop-up window to upload your file. Make sure that your file format and the format selected here are the same. You can see from the preview how the file will be uploaded. Only upload sheets and columns you want. Also, change their names if you wish. Check the tables and start upload. You can see information about the loading status of tables and columns. The process is completed. The tables are loaded into the model. This is how the uploaded tables and columns look like. Ready to create your first visual? Let's start with a table. Open Tooltip from upper right corner to add data to the table. Click on the Data button from this menu. You can see tables and columns that you have uploaded in the pop-up and drag and drop them into the data visualization area. Refresh plugin to update and retrieve the data. Hold and pull the table by its bottom right corner to resize it. Click on Configuration from the tooltip to customize how the table looks. Here you can edit all the details such as color, font size, and more as you wish. It's that easy to upload your data as a file and visualize it. Use the plugin list for more visual options and add the charts you prefer to the dashboard. You can add data and make configuration operations in all plugins in the same way by using tooltip located in the same place and working in the same way. A multi-axis line or pie chart, or however you want your data to look like. Just create a dashboard and decide how you want it to look. And for everything else, Vispeahen.